If you own a rental in Idaho, this is one of those details that only matters once, and then matters a lot. A smoke detector addendum records that working alarms were present and tested at the start of the tenancy, and who is responsible for what afterwards. This is a safety obligation before it is paperwork, and responsibility is usually split. The landlord installs and certifies, the tenant maintains and does not disable. If that split is not written down, it is not much of a defense. It is worth saying plainly why this is an Idaho form rather than a generic one. This is an area where the answer genuinely changes at the state line. A document that is perfectly correct in one state can be missing something the next state requires, or carry a clause that state gives you no basis for. Downloading a national template and hoping it fits is how landlords end up holding paperwork that does not do what they think it does. Our page covers the Idaho requirements and gives you a fillable addendum. So if that was useful, give it a like and hit subscribe, because we are working state by state through the landlord forms and the tenant law that sits behind them. And when you are ready to use this one, go to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. That is tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com, where you can fill this form in, download it free, and run a full screening on your applicant while you are there.